Hey guys, hope you're having a great day. Right now I'm working on John's 5.3 LS engine for his Silverado. And right now I'm just finishing up cleaning up the block. And as you can see, I got all the paint and all that gunk and oil and everything off. So it's really clean right now, but right now I'm just gonna clean it with like hot soapy water and just make sure I get everything really clean. And there's the soapy water, and then just brush it, go through the, all the little like holes with the brushes like that. And yeah, it should turn out pretty clean. And then I'm gonna blow dry it and oil up all the important surfaces, like for like bearings and cylinders and stuff. And I'll make sure to show you guys what it looks like after. Alright, so as you can see, John's 5.3 is cleaned up and looking really nice. Before I put it on the engine stand, on pretty much all my motors, I clean up I stand it up on the bottom, on the back of it, or stand it up on the front, and then paint the back of it. And right now I'm masking up the rest of the motor, so only the back of it gets painted. I'm just gonna mask up this whole surface, and so it should come out really nice. I paint it on the back first because on the engine stand, where I usually paint the rest of it, you can't really get to the back very well, so it just makes it a lot easier. Alright guys, so today I'm working on John's 5.3 LS. As you can see, I just got it painted up and looking really good. So the first step that I'm gonna do is slap these cam bearings in real quick. Seems pretty easy. So give you guys updates on what it looks like.